आज ही डाउटनेट ऐप डाउनलोड करें। डाउटनेट पर होगा अब आपके सभी मैथ्स, केमिस्ट्री, फिजिक्स और बायोलॉजी डाउट्स का सफाया। बस अपने क्वेश्चन की फोटो खींचो, उसे क्रॉप करो और तुरंत वीडियो सोल्यूशन पाओ। डाउनलोड नाउ।
So in today's question, we have two statements. Statement 1 is if the endpoints of two normal chords AB and CD normal at A and C of parabola y square equals to 4ax are concyclic, then the tangents at A and C will intersect on the axis of the parabola. And the statement 2 is if 4 points on the parabola y square equals to 4ax are concyclic, then the sum of their ordinates is 0. So this is the parabola y square equals to 4ax. So let us take 4 points on it A, B, C and D such that AB and CD are normal to the parabola. So let us take the coordinates as A is T1, B is T2, C is T3 and D is T4. Now we have a concept that if T1, T2, T3 and T4 are concyclic, then T1 plus T2 plus T3 plus T4 will be equal to 0. We also know that the normal at the point A, that is T1, meets the parabola at B, that is T2. So from here we get that T2 is equal to minus T1 minus 2 upon T1. Similarly, in the case of normal CD, we get T4 is equal to minus T3 minus 2 upon T3. Now putting the value of T2 and T4 in this equation 1, we'll get minus 2 upon T1 minus 2 upon T3 is equal to 0. Therefore, 1 upon T1 plus 1 upon T3 will be equal to 0. Now multiplying this equation by T1, T3, we get T1 plus T3 is equal to 0. So let this be the second equation. Now if we find the equation of tangents at the point A, that is T1, and the point C, that is T3, we get the equations as T1y is equal to x plus a T1 square, and here we get T3y is equal to x plus a T3 square. Now solving these two equations to get their point of intersection, adding these two, we get T1 plus T3 into y is equal to 2x plus a into T1 square plus T3 square. Now from equation 2, this is equal to 0. Therefore, we get 2x is equal to minus a into T1 square plus T1 square. Therefore, x is equal to minus a into T1 square. So the point of intersection of the tangents is minus a T1 square comma 0. So checking the statements, we can say that the tangents will intersect at a point on the axis. So now checking the second statement, we have the sum of ordinates of four concyclic points. So the ordinates of the points T1 till T4 will be 2a T1 and similarly till 2a T4. Therefore the sum will be 2a into T1 plus T2 plus T3 plus T4. Now we have this sum equals to 0 for 4 concyclic points. Therefore the sum of ordinates will also be 0. Therefore we can say that here both the statements are correct and statement 2 is a correct explanation of statement 1. Thank you.
क्लास 6 से 12 से लेके नीट, IIT JEE मेंस और एडवांस के लेवल तक 10 मिलियन से ज्यादा स्टूडेंट्स का भरोसा। आज ही डाउनलोड करें डाउटनेट ऐप या व्हाट्सएप कीजिए अपने डाउट्स 8400 400 400 पर।